like to my video, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to on the notification bell. Hello friends, welcome you once again to my channel DV Craft. I am Disha and today we are going to make paper sunglasses. So let's get started. First we will take a paper and fold this point till this point. Now fold this point till this point. And open it. And now fold it like this way. And fold this line till here. And fold it 3 times. And fold from down also like this way. And now fold it. And our goggle is ready. Friends, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment below. Thanks for watching.